Oh god. Hello everybody, hello, good morning. It's currently 8:36. Okay, I just woke up. Today is gonna be a day in my life, okay? A little daily vlog. Because why not? I'm chilling in bed, just listening to voice messages, and I'm gonna get up. First thing I do every time I get out of my bed is do my bed, okay? So I know I'm not gonna go back in my bed because my situation right now, I could just lay in bed all day, but I don't want to lay in bed all day because that's not what we are going to do. Okay, I can do that on Sundays, and I hate doing that during the week. Yeah, this is a whole day in my life. How I organize myself, how I stay productive, what do I do really, what's my situation, etc, etc. So, I had a terrible night because I think for my blinds, the thing you use to like roll them down, like, I don't know, fell off. So I have no blinds. I could not blinds, but see, they're like pulled up just there. And yeah, so I woke up at 4:40 in the morning because I thought that the day was like over. I was like, what the fuck is happening? So yeah. Anyway, let's have a good day.
City makes the gypsies play deep inside comes alive. So world so beautiful like a Spanish rose. You're hypnotized, that's when you've arrived. You got a stress and you're feeling free. Your mind is come on, get up.
Alright. So I had a good breakfast. I'm in Sunset, season 5. I'm finally finishing season 5. I stopped watching it for a while, but I'm really enjoying this drama, to be honest. This show is like less about selling houses at the moment, it's more like selling drama. And I love it. Okay, a little bit ridiculous, but whatever. You know, we get what we get. Anyway, so I'm gonna finish my skincare. It's been a while. I feel like a lot of videos of mine, I'm always in the bathroom, just like getting ready and shit. Yeah, always the same products. I never stop using The Ordinary. I should get sponsored by, they even do collabs. You know, if they ever do, hit me up. Fanny Skin, honestly, 10 on 10. Up, because it makes you follow a certain routine. My skin has been so nice, and all these products are great, honestly. You know, I never like tried any celebrity brand apart from Rare Beauty, and I'm not mad about Fenty Skin. Like, it deserves the hype it deserves. Mario Badusco, like, we guys, if you were around when the Rosewater existed, what? You are an OG. Because that stuff was bangers. Alright, so we're gonna do our makeup. And then hair. Just like color. I need a new, what is this? Like, I was just putting it in my hair and it bent. Here is my new, no, not my new. This is what I've been doing for the past month. So I'm using my fingers to blend. I don't want to hear it. Like, I feel like there's a lot of, like, everybody's like, oh, you need to do this and that for makeup. Oh, at the end of the day, you do you. You know? So I've had the same foundation forever. It's the best. Okay, I haven't finished it yet. I wear it all the time. Like, and it's almost like it's not even halfway. It's like, I'm telling you, I wouldn't be surprised. Anyway, we love The Ordinary. Okay, we do face, Rare Beauty. Yeah, I fucking love this brand so much. I do what they stand for. Same for this, like there's still so much inside, but I still have plenty. And I've had this since like, I feel like it kind of expired, but I'm a little worried. We are back on our spring hot girl spring, whatever you want to call it. I'm excited, it's a tan, I'm excited for the nice days out. All this crap just makes me so happy knowing that it's gonna be like 18 degrees soon, and you know we won't be needing like to wear tights or stuff like that. Like, oh my god, boy, I am so excited. Can I do some eyeliner? Okay, so I tried a lot of goddamn eyeliners in my life, but this eyeliner, this is the Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner from NYX. I'm telling you, this shit, you can cry, you can laugh, you can whatever you want, it's not going away. I'm gonna go back in the store and buy 2 of them because I fucking love it. Okay, we need to redo the eyeliner. Alright, this is the look. Alright, let's go pick an outfit. This is the fit for today. This is from Big Bok, and this is from Bershka. And that's it. I love this look. And my hair is getting long, baby girl. Alright, let's get to work. Here's what we need to do. First thing I do is always just check my emails. We never know what could happen during the night. If I get anything concerning all types. I have 3 emails. Yeah, personal, YouTube one, and the magazine one. You always gotta have like at least. I think when you're growing up, you always have like more than 1 email. I never work in my room. I hate working in my room. Like I'm editing a video, or unless I'm tired or it's Friday. These are the only exceptions. I like to work in the living room. Personally, it's better. And yeah, like I have a little bag with everything. I just take it, my phone, and I close my room door. Let me explain the situation. So, we got the lightning, we look better, we look so fine. So, let me tell you about my situation, understand better why I'm at home now. So basically, I finished my internship end of February, and it was so nice, it was so fun, I had time. And now I'm like jobless. I'm looking for a job, for a small job. In the meantime, I'm trading full-time on my magazine, which I'm not getting any revenue from now because obviously it hasn't taken off, and I'm structuring it. I'm taking my time. Last year was a whole different thing, and taking a year off is fun, but it was also very difficult, and I need to do a podcast episode about it because there's a lot of things to say about this. But anyway, now I'm back on my shit, and I'm back on concentrating on my projects and growing my magazine. That's to me the most important. But you know, I also job because I have an important lifestyle. You know, I'm 24. I like things. I like to go out for cocktails. I like concerts. I like to do, you know. So I need money and I need a job. So we're looking for a small job. I like to babysit. I like to learn. I like to teach English because I lived in America for 10 years. So obviously that's for me a big, it's one of my fortes. So I'm looking for jobs. I at least take like an hour, like
40 minutes to look for jobs and send my applications everywhere, my CVs. It's very difficult because a lot of places want internships and they don't want like full-time jobs or just like you know, part-times, etc. Because obviously they pay less, and also it's difficult because internship you need to be under a school so you can get your contract, which in America that doesn't exist. You can just do an internship, like, you know, and in France internships you're paid less than if you are doing an actual job. So we're doing that, and yeah, that's what happens. And then I go work on the magazine. I look at the calendar. What do we have to post? What's for today? And then I work on the pitch deck and making sure it's perfect so then we can send it to investors and look for that. I made a list of places I want to reach out. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing the first part of the day.
This is the vibes for today. We're feeling the nude, we're feeling the schoolgirl, a little short. You know, it's giving Mew Mew. And this is my fit for today. I'm currently, I just finished watching season 5 of Selling Sunset, which, there's some drama there. Honestly, this show is genuinely just 100% more about drama than them selling houses, which honestly it's kind of sad, but I mean, I love the show. Like, I love, you know, when they show those nice big houses, but I just think like it's just too drama oriented, and we get to know too more about the drama than like the houses and stuff like that. It's Easter. Happy Easter if you celebrate it. Do you get anything for Easter? Honestly, I'm just here for the food and the chocolate. And like going out, it's sunny, it's 15 degrees here in Paris. Springtime, bitch. But yeah, literally it's spring, and that makes me so happy because I'm done with winter. Like you know, it's time, it's like we're like entering almost like real spring season where we don't have to wear trench coats anymore, and that is fucking nice. Like that is so nice. So anyway, I'm gonna go out this afternoon a little bit. And yeah, just not a lot of plans. Yesterday I went out, I didn't even drink, which was like weird because I'm always a little tipsy on Fridays. Anyway, you know, it's good to relax sometimes and not drink. Sometimes you don't want to drink, and that's good.